Havana, oh na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, oh na na. He took me back to his Atlanta, oh na na. Oh, but my heart is in Havana. There's something about his manners, Havana, oh na na. Didn't want up with that, how you do it? He said there's a lot of girls he can do it. I knew him forever in a minute. If I was the he got all over him. He got me feeling, ooh. I knew it when I met him. I loved him when I left him. He got me feeling, ooh. And then I had to tell him I had to go. Oh, na 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 na. Havana, oh na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, oh na na. He took me back to East Atlanta, oh na na. Oh, but my heart is in Havana. My heart is in Havana, Havana, oh na na. Just graduated fresh on campus, yeah. Fresh out East Atlanta with no manners down. Now pump, 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 pump like a traffic jam. Hey, I was quick to pay that girl like Uncle Sam, yeah. Back it on me, shawty gripping on me, get digging on me. She waited on me, shawty kicking on me, got the picking on me. It's a re in the making on me. Point blank close, drink that beat. If it costs $1 million, that's me. I was in moolah, baby. Havana, oh na na. Half of my heart is in Havana, oh na na. He took me back to East Atlanta, oh na na. Oh, but my heart is in Havana. My heart is in Havana, Havana, oh na na.
Holding on a rope, got me 10 feet off the ground. I'm hearing what you say, but I just can't make a sound. They tell me that you mean it, then you go and cut me down. Wait, you tell me that you're sorry, didn't think I'd turn around and say that it's too late to apologize. It's too late. Said it's too late to apologize. It's too late. Yeah. Take another chance, take a fall, take a shot from you. I need you like a heart needs a beat, it's not from you. Yeah, yeah. I loved you with the fire red, and I was turning blue. And I say, sorry like the angel, heaven let me think it's you. But I'm afraid it's too late to apologize. It's too late. Said it's too late to apologize. It's too late. Yeah, me 10 feet off the ground.
You were the shadow to my light. Did you feel us? Another star, you fade away. Afraid our aim is out of sight. Wanna see us alive. Where are you now? Was it all in my fantasy? Where are you now? Are you only imaginary? Where are you now? I'm empty. Where are